Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have LENOVO Tab P12 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Firstly, open your Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there scroll and choose your settings application where we have our Google Password Manager. We tap on it and there we can manage our Google passwords, maybe to our Facebook account. We can click there. Now we must enter connect pin to get connect to these passwords, and there when we choose this first icon we can copy our username and passwords, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon and share to our friend or someone, or we can edit it by tap on edit and change something in our username, passwords or note. But remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete password with our smartphone, remember by delete, and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.